Hi Rocky, welcome back again. Sorry, the last video got over since 10 minutes over exceeding. So we will continue with. So, hi Rocky, welcome back again. Sorry, last video got over because the 10 minutes was over. So we'll continue from where we stopped from the last video. So last video we were discussing about the payloads and like payload set. So we can here was telling you people that we can use a file and like we enter the user details here, admin and username. Basically, you can guess the default generic username like admin root. Then we have administrator. Um, and so like that we have the username, right? So like that, and in a different file, you can also type the default passwords, like default password in the sense. So whatever the guessable password, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 um, so or default one like admin in lowercase, uppercase, and then those type of things uh, we can use it in a file and same can be uploaded. And in case of numbers, right, so we can select numbers from 1 to 99 and for the password field and check if anything can be we are getting to 200 success for that. So that done, also we can check. So here we are selected two uh, versions, basically user and password. So next thing is that so for next thing is that once you select those things, right, you can uh, select the tag type, and so once you have the file size, you can select the pitchfork one and upload those username and passwords using simple list as the payload set. And yeah, so it's not letting. So I'm trying to brute force here. Without any tool. Basically, I'm entering the admin password, lowercase admin. It should throw out me another message. I think it is stuck. There's some problem with this application. We log out trying to go to home. It's not. I think it's it's a lot of things. forward reason. Mm, Not loading. To the writing. Let's see like if this is not working, we'll connect in the next session. So next session I'll be discussing about the command execution. So thanks all guys. Have a nice day.